It was Christmas on the Island of Sodor, and all of the engines were merrily enjoying the festive season. Ryan was unloading lots of Christmas decorations. Garlands and lights were being put up all over the town.
Wow! These decorations are going to make the town look so festive! And me too! Hello, Percy. Oh, Thomas, there you are. I wanted to ask you, would you like to deliver the special Christmas mail with me tonight? Oh, that would be wonderful. Then we can see all of the lights in the dark. I know! The island is always so beautiful this time of year, with lights and decorations and... I know exactly what you mean, Percy, and it sounds amazing. Let's do it.
You two had best be careful. There's a storm coming.
Oh, Edward, I'm sure it'll be fine. Huh. You just don't want to wear your snowplow, and I don't blame you, given how stupid it looks on you. Oh! Well done, Diesel. Well done. Huh? What's that sound? What sound?